flowing to the sea. 'Cause something just happened, like they're meant to be, yeah. And it doesn't matter where you are or where you go, what to do. You can't stop my heart from loving you, yeah. See, I've been miles away, but I'm paying my dues. And don't worry, I won't blame you for a minute. No way, no, I won't blame you this time, but I won't. You can't stop a river from flowing to the sea. 'Cause something just happened, like they're meant to be, yeah. And it doesn't matter where you are or where you go, what to do, baby. You can't stop my heart, no way, baby. You can't stop my heart, no way, baby. You can't stop my heart from loving you. Oh no, oh no.
Oh. Alin dun sa apat na yun, yung talagang ramdam na ramdam mo?
Para parehas mo kasi sila may significance sa akin. Kahit ngayon ko lang narinig yung Over the Hill is Home. Lahat ng ano ko dun, ano rin. Pero isa lang. Pero mas like ko po yung ano. Mahirap. Can't Stop a River po.
Yung huli, no? Oo nga. Mas kabisado mo yung lyrics, hindi nga ba?
Lahat naman po sila kabisado ko yung lyrics.
So, alright. Pero yung Can't Stop a River ang pinakagusto mo. Okay.
Next.
Alright. Chris. Alright. Oh, ilan ang choices mo dyan?
Sa ngayon po, dalawa na lang po.
Dalawa. Okay.
Dalawa na lang po.
Dati ilan?
5.
5.
Opo.
O, sige. The first 2, sige.
Big Girls Don't Cry po.
Ano yung Big Girls Don't Cry? Sige nga.
The spell of your skin lingers on me now. You're probably on your flight back to your hometown. I need some shelter of my own real tension, baby. To be with myself and centered clarity, peace, serenity. I hope you know, I hope you know that this has nothing to do with you. It's personal, myself and I. We've got some straightening out to do, and I'm gonna miss you like a child misses the blanket. But I gotta get a move on with my life. It's time to be, malataw mo yun, a big girl now.
Okay, sige, next choice.
Dami pa rin po talaga.
Sige, yung number 2. Yung number 2.
Hindi ko po siya, nakalimutan ko na po yung lyrics.
Nga, ano yun?
Stranded po.
Stranded.
Jennifer, ano pangalan? Hindi.
Hindi. Okay, the other, sige, yung ibang pinagpipilian mo.
Meron pa po, say a little prayer. Nakalimutan ko na rin po yung lyrics.
Which one?
Po, yung
version?
Diana King. Chop.
Ay, Diana Krall.
Ay,
Ay, hindi.
hindi. Isa yung...
May Dionne Warwick. May Diana Krall. Merong bago.
Yung sa
Yung may
Best
reggae.
Friend's Wedding version. Yung
may
Diana
reggae.
King. Diana King. Diana...
When I wake up.
Yeah.
Before I wake up. Before I put...
Yung reggae.
Before I put on my makeup.
Okay, sige. Tapos?
No, si Balasi.
Okay. What's the other one?
Po yung boss. Masama po yung isa, pero wag na lang po yun.
Ano?
Bad po.
Okay. Alright. Kung bad, what?
Opo.
Next. Ano pa yung isang choice?
Fly me to the moon.